Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another vlog for you guys. A lot of you seem to like them, and last vlog I asked you guys if you liked long or short vlogs. And all you guys said long. So I'm going to do a little bit of a long vlog today. I have a lot of stuff that I need to do. I'm going to the gym, and then I have like 3 or 4 errands to run, and then I need to come home and do some work, and I just got like a lot to do. So I thought that this would be a good day to vlog. And right now I'm going to the gym, and I'm going to eat this protein, I don't know, what is this? A protein bar, but it's like in the shape of a cookie. And then I just got some water that I'm going to take to the gym, and I'm meeting Brandon there, but I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film. I'm not going to whip out my camera. That's a little... No. So I'm not going to do that, but I might get some footage on my phone. But if not, and you guys really, really want to see a workout routine, comment down below and request it, and I'll do it for you guys. I just need to like plan that and have somebody film it for me. But yeah, I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And I'm going to head to the gym, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I don't know how much you can see right now. So, if you can see like half of me, we're getting somewhere, going somewhere. I'm backing out of the gym right now. I don't want to vlog and drive too much because it can be really dangerous, but I'm just not going to look at the camera. So I'm going to go to Target right now, but okay. So I haven't been to the gym in about a month and a half. Woo, sliding. In about a month and a half. And I just had like the best workout of my life. Like, I'm serious, it was so good. And I was really dreading it because you know when you're, not in the gym for a while and you're like, you just don't want to go back because you forget your routine, you forget how good it feels, honestly. I have 2 gym memberships. Because one, I'm actually going to later today to tan, because that's where I tan, but then a lot of my friends go there to that gym, so I like working out with them. And that gym is Planet Fitness, and they have like a stair stepper, which I really like. The other gym that I go to is really bougie and like has a pool and has so much more, and like I like the privacy aspect of it better. Like, so many people go to Planet Fitness and it's aggravating, but I'm almost to Target and I just got to pick up a few items. Like I said, I have to go by the ATM, which I'm not going to show you guys that because I don't think it's good to show where I bank. Should I do that right now? Yeah, I'm going to do that right now. No, I'm not. I'm going to go back later. And then, oh gosh, I should have tanned first. Dang it. Okay, well, I'm going to go to Target and then completely backtrack. It's okay. I need to get a car wash and get gas too, but I'm not sure I'm going to do that because I got a lot of stuff to do when I get home. So we'll see how far I get, but I'll update you guys later. I just went to the ATM, and before that I obviously went to Target. So I'm sitting at the bank right now. After this I'm going to go to Planet Fitness to tan because I didn't get as much sun as I wanted to at the lake yesterday. So I'm going to do that because I don't know, I just feel better on tan. So I'm going to show you what I got from Target. I got the Tostitos Hint of Lime chips. I heard they were really good and I really want to try them. And then the Ollie Undeniable Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails gummies. And then some exfoliator gloves. Because when I self-tan, I use a scrub, but the scrub doesn't get it off. I don't know if the scrub's just too soft. Like, it's really like mushy and stuff. So I thought like with the scrub and those gloves, it would really get it off. Even though it's summer and I don't self-tan as much, but I still will probably want to, So that's what I got there, and now I'm going to Planet Fitness. And after that, am I done? Oh, I gotta get gas, so I'll show you guys when I get gas, but I'm not gonna show you guys while I'm tanning because I can't really do that. Oh no, I hear sirens. Traffic's crazy. It's Saturday before Father's Day, so everybody's doing their last minute stuff. So I didn't even think about that, but I'm gonna go to Planet Fitness, and I'll catch you guys later. I noticed on the front door there were some packages, so I'm gonna get those. Okay. Guys, I'm starving. It's 2:15, I think. What time is it? Oh, 2:10. It's 2:10. I haven't had anything but that Ollie protein bar thing. So, okay. So some of these are birthday gifts. Okay, so one of my best friends has her birthday this Thursday, the 21st, and then Brandon has his birthday the 22nd, which is the next day, so it's Friday. So I got them some stuff. So I think at least one of those packages. First, Amazon. If it's a birthday gift, obviously I'm not gonna open it, which I'm pretty sure that one is. Yes, okay. So I ordered some Coty Airspun powder that you can get from Walmart for like $5, but I wanted the rosy beige color, I think, because some of my foundations are really yellow on me, because that's just like how companies do. They do a lot of yellow undertones. But I have pink undertones because I'm like Sioux Indian. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but I've got like pink undertones, so sometimes when my foundation's too yellow, I have to like go over it with like some powders and stuff to make it less yellow. So I got this pinky one, and I'm really, really excited. Yes, so I got that. This is a birthday gift. I'm not gonna open that, but I am gonna open this. FabFitFun, please sponsor me. This is my first FabFitFun box that I've done. I'm usually a boxy charmer. Okay, so when you open it, I literally almost broke my nail even more trying to do it the hard way. When you open it, it looks like that. And I got the summer one, so is this like a little magazine? We're gonna see what I got. Yay! I got Mario! Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, if you guys don't know what this is, it's basically like, you probably heard of like the Clarisonics or whatever, but this is like a much more gentler one. And it just kind of like cleanses your skin and really gets deep down in there. What? Okay, I don't know what this is. So I got this ring. And then I see this, and I know what this is. I needed a coaster. I've been using the lid to a Bath and Body Works candle for the longest time. Oh my gosh, and I'm getting an apartment soon. Look how cute. I'm so excited. Sorry, this is like really annoying, I know. A face sunscreen. Dang it, I just bought one by Sunbum, and I really wanted to try this one though. Oh my gosh. It's the Kula brand. I'm so excited to try this. A Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. So a mask, okay. I got the Tartist Pro To Go little mini palette. Oh, this is some workout thing. It's a loop resistant band. How neat. And then the last thing is this makeup case. I might give this to my mom. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a salad and I'll show you guys when it's done, but I'm starving. I'm so hungry. Okay, so I just made my salad. I put cucumbers, romaine lettuce, cranberries, and I don't know, like cheddar cheese, I think. I prefer like mozzarella, and then I would be very happy, but that's all that we had. But it's really, really good. I put like this Italian dressing that we got from this, well actually it's like my favorite restaurant, but I think it's local, so I'm not gonna like say the name, but it's like this Italian steakhouse, and oh my god, it is so good. This makes me want to eat salads more because of that dressing. And then I'm gonna try the hint of lime, and I'm just drinking some kombucha. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I was throwing away my FabFitFun box, like the packaging, and I noticed that this was in there, and it's like some straw that helps save wildlife, so that's really cool. I'm gonna use it to drink my kombucha with, if you guys are wondering. I'm drinking the Synergy Organic Kombucha in the gingerberry flavor, and I'm gonna eat my salad and probably watch some YouTube. I gotta find my phone first. I have no idea where I put it. So this is where my day gets really, really boring because I'm just doing a couple, why is my shirt tucked in? I'm just doing like not work things, but like YouTube stuff. So I just edited a video. It took me about 45 minutes, maybe an hour, and it's uploading right now, but it won't be up till tomorrow. But you guys will have already seen this video before you see this one, so yeah. I need to put some stuff away, as you guys can see, but I found out that this is not a drink, what do you call it, a coaster? It's a jewelry tray, but I saw somebody's vlog, and they got the box, and they said this was a coaster. So, I'm going to use it as a coaster, just because I can, because I already have this jewelry tray, and it has a T on it, and I don't know, this one's more practical for a drink holder, I feel like. Why do I keep saying drink holder? It's a freaking coaster. I'm literally shaking, you guys. I'm so cold. I don't know why I'm so cold. But I really need a shower, and I think that's why I'm cold, because after working out, oh my god, what is wrong with me? After working out, and you sweat, obviously, you're like wet a little bit, and then you like get into air conditioning and it like hits you, but I don't know why all of a sudden. Oh, and drinking kombucha probably did it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my next task that I need to conquer. I'm a little bit embarrassed. I'm a little bit embarrassed by this. Are you guys ready to see my t-shirt drawer? I've got this drawer of t-shirts, and then these two containers right here full of t-shirts. And I need to get, these are like my nicer t-shirts, I say, but I also have some like nicer t-shirts like hanging up like right here. I need to get rid of a bunch of those. Okay, are you guys ready? This is my t-shirt drawer, and the sad part is I got rid of about 30 t-shirts not too long ago, probably 6 months ago, and this is what it's come to. So I'm going to make myself get rid of all these. I'm tired of it. I basically only use these t-shirts to sleep in, and there's no way in heck I need this many t-shirts. And I also have a little bit more up here that are like, I don't know. But I just need to get rid of this. I need to go, and I'm going to get a trash bag, and I'm just going to kind of just wipe it out fast. I also want to organize my sock and underwear drawer, but I'm not going to show you guys that because that's a little inappropriate, if you know what I'm saying. So I think I'm going to put some music on while my video is uploading and go ahead and wipe this t-shirt drawer out, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. This is the amount that I'm giving away, or I don't know what I'm doing with it, but this is the amount that I cleaned out. And then this one I'm giving to my mom. Oh yeah, I also need to get rid of all these tank tops that I have. Okay, so I'm gonna keep working, but I just wanted to update you guys. So I'm feeling really good. I got a lot accomplished. Wow. Okay, so you know how both of these bins were filled with t-shirts? Well, now that one's, I didn't really get rid, those were long sleeves, and they still are. But I did have some long sleeves in that one. So what I did was I cleared all that out and put that in that drawer, and then put all the long sleeves in there. Didn't really get rid of any of those, but I wanted this basket empty just in case I needed it for something. I don't know what, but it's there. And this drawer is still really, really full, but now I don't have t-shirts scattered everywhere. These are strictly just t-shirts. And I do have some like really, really nice t-shirts in my closet, but they're like Champion, Adidas, like really, really nice that I would wear out or to work out. These are strictly just like lake, pool, going to bed, that kind of thing. But if I were to go out in a t-shirt, it would be one of my nicer ones probably. I mean, I could still probably go out in this, but this is just old t-shirts, and I'm really, really glad I got that situated. I got the bottom drawer situated and cleared out all my socks so I could have all my underwear and stuff just for that one drawer. I had to go to the ATM earlier today to withdraw money for my mom because it's a long story, but I owed her some money and forgot to use my debit card. I forgot to use my debit card one time and use my credit card for something that I bought, and so I had to pay her back. And well, I got home and somebody gave me $50 for graduation, and I was like, I didn't even need to go to the ATM. So now I'm going to go back to the ATM and put back the money that I withdrew. And you're probably like, what the heck? Why can't you just do it some other time? And you're right, I probably could, but tomorrow is Father's Day and there's no way in heck I could do that. Monday I have a full schedule. I don't think I would be able to go to the ATM. So I'm going to go right now. Well, there went my healthy eating. That looks awful right now, but it was a piece of chocolate cake that my mom made. She makes the best homemade, it's called chocolate fudge cake. It's literally the best chocolate cake or any dessert I've ever had in my life. So there it goes, healthy eating day, and then that at 10:30. So I'm really gonna have bad dreams every time I have something chocolate, especially chocolate cake. I have terrible dreams. It's just so bad. But yeah, I'm hoping that I won't have that. But I forgot to update you guys. I showered and did some thank you notes that had to be done. Not really much to vlog. Like, y'all would just be really bored, like you are now. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna end this vlog. I did go to the ATM and I went to eat with my parents, so that's what you missed. I didn't vlog it because I don't know, I forgot to bring my vlog camera when I went out to eat, and I could have filmed on my phone, but there's really no need. We just went and ate and there's nothing to film. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next